best belt sanders reviewed. I bought and tested these belt sanders so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, finding the right tool can make all the difference. I've put these products through their paces, and I'm here to share my honest insights.
Product number 1. WEN 6307 Variable Speed Detailing File Sander. When I first got my hands on the WEN 6307 Variable Speed Detailing File Sander, I was intrigued by its compact design and the promise of variable speed. The first project I tackled was a set of wooden drawers that desperately needed refinishing. The variable speed dial allowed me to adjust the belt speed from 1080 to 1800 feet per minute, which was a game changer for controlling the sanding process. I started at a lower speed to gently remove the old finish, and as I got comfortable, I cranked it up for more aggressive sanding. One of the standout features is the auto-tracking belt system. I expected to have to fiddle with adjustments, but nope, the belt stayed centered throughout my entire project, which made my life a whole lot easier. The pivoting head is another gem. I was able to angle the 1/2 by 18-inch belt up to 55 degrees, allowing me to reach those tricky spots between the drawer edges effortlessly. Product number 2 is the DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander. Now, I was really excited to test this one out because DeWalt is a brand I trust. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight it felt in my hands, just 1 pound. I took it to my garage where I had a large piece of wood that needed some serious leveling. What impressed me right off the bat was the brushless motor that delivers up to 22% more power compared to traditional corded sanders. I mean, I was able to finish that large job faster than I expected. The variable speed trigger was another feature I appreciated. It allowed me to optimize the sanding speed based on the material I was working with. The 25-speed selection dial is a cool touch, giving you precision control that is crucial when working on different surfaces. Product number 3, Maxmore Cordless Detail Band File Sander. I was pleasantly surprised by the Maxmore Cordless Detail Band File Sander. At just $44.99, it's a budget-friendly option that delivers impressive performance. I took it outside for a small DIY project on some wooden furniture. The compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries was a big plus for me, since I already have those lying around. The cordless feature meant I wasn't tethered to an outlet, giving me the freedom to move around easily. The high-power motor can reach speeds up to 2100 FPM, which I found effective for quick sanding, grinding, and polishing. I loved that it came equipped with 6 variable speed settings, allowing me to adapt to various materials and tasks with ease. Plus, the tool-free sanding belt change was a lifesaver. Product number 4 is the Skills 6-amp 3x18-inch belt sander. The Skills 6-amp 3x18-inch belt sander caught my eye not just because of its sleek design, but also its performance. I took it for a spin on an old wooden coffee table I was refurbishing. With a solid 6 amps of power, it tackled the job effortlessly. One of the standout features for me was the pressure control technology. It actually warns you when you're applying too much pressure, which is crucial to avoid damaging the wood. The microfiltration system is another win, capturing fine dust particles that usually escape into the air. I also loved the auto-track belt alignment, which kept the belt centered without any adjustments. Product number 5. WEN 7.5 amp 3x21-inch variable speed belt sander. Last but not least is the WEN 7.5 amp 3x21-inch variable speed belt sander. I was eager to test this out for a larger project, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The variable speed motor can rotate the belt anywhere from 620 to 1200 feet per minute, which allowed me to fine-tune my approach based on the task at hand. I was sanding down a rough piece of plywood, and the adjustable speed made it easy to switch from aggressive sanding to a finer finish. The lock-on power switch was a feature I didn't know I would appreciate so much. It allowed me to sand continuously without cramping my hand, which was a blessing during longer jobs. The quick-release belt tension lever made changing out the sanding belts quick and efficient, which saved me a lot of time.
In conclusion, finding the right belt sander can elevate your woodworking projects to the next level. Each of these sanders has its strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, there's something here for you. Happy sanding!